you guys, it's Jeffrey Howells carpet cleaning here, and actually I know that some of you guys are wondering and asking questions about being in networking groups with realtors and all that. And I would say that your best bet is to get into a group with, contractors and stuff like that, because I do a lot of work where I just follow behind a contractor buddy that I've known forever, and I clean up a lot of their stuff when they're done with their work. So that has been a pretty sweet little deal right there. Now, what's going on here is that there was some work, probably about 3 months of work or so, and so the plastic coverings that were on the carpeting, the residue after 3 months started, begin. It's different than if it's just down for a couple days and you pull it up and it doesn't leave anything on the carpeting, but when it's down there for a long period of time, sometimes it bonds a little bit more on the carpeting. And so we are going to be going through, it's pretty much coming up the stairways and all the way through here. I took my shoes off and walked on the carpet barefoot just so I could feel the tackiness for myself. And what we're going to be using is Vacaway's hot knife just to cut through some of that petroleum sort of residue that is left behind by that tacky tape. So fairly straightforward. It's just using the right chemistry. So we're gonna attack it again, like I said, using the hot knife. I debated adding a little bit of peroxide or not because there is a dog in the residence here, but I think we're just going to do the hot knife for now, and then after I go through, I'm going to give it a good agitation after the application of the pre-spray using the CRB here, and I'm going to give it some pretty good dwell time, and then we're going to rinse it out with the truck mounted steam cleaning. Originally I was just going to bonnet it, but I do not deal with 175 going upstairs at all. So we're just going to have to do this the 3-stage cleaning process, because a bonnet cleaning with the hot knife would have taken care of all the residue as well. But we're going to go up and beyond just a little bit than what we were planning on doing, and it's actually going to be a much more thorough clean